So I bought a 65-year-old 35mm rangefinder camera on eBay very cheaply. It's a Fed 3 from the early 60s with an industar 50mm f2.8 lens. It was untested, so first I checked the shutter was firing okay. The lenses looked good and everything appeared to work, including the focusing system. The condition was amazing for an old camera. This was definitely built to last. I bought a Kentmere 100 black and white film from filmprocessing.co.uk and loaded it. I went out shooting using the sunny 16 rule by and large. I'm very pleased with the results. I've learnt that this lens needs care when shooting towards bright light as it tends to lose contrast. Next I'll try a colour film. Using film is a great way of making you think about your photography, and I would recommend shooting a roll from time to time. It slows you down in your composition, makes you think more about light, and stops you taking photos you will only probably throw away anyway. Next, I'll be testing a Fed 2, another beautiful piece of Soviet engineering.